Hello, Jacob Hartley with you here. In this video, I'm going to cover a free alternative method that you can use other than Microsoft Excel. A lot of you have trial versions of Microsoft Excel and don't want to spend the money to use it. There is an alternative that is absolutely 100% free that you can use, and it does the exact same thing that Microsoft Excel does. So let me go here and I'm going to show you what this is. So go ahead and type in, open up a Google search, type in Open Office. And you're going to click on this one that says openoffice.org, Apache Open Office. So go ahead and click on that. And then right here where this green arrow is, you want to click on that saying, I want to download Apache Open Office. I'm not going to walk you through the download, but just click it. It'll download, open it up, install it. And once you have it installed, it looks just like this on your computer. You'll see it. It looks like two birds inside of a blue circle. And it's called Open Office. Now, let me show you how to open up like a regular CSV file using Open Office. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click on a lead list that I have, and I will open it up, and I'm going to right click this, and typically it will already want to open. You see right here where it has the X for Excel, it'll want to open up in Excel by default. You're going to have to right click the file and then say open with, and then I'm going to choose Open Office Calc. That's that Open Office program. So this is the alternative to Excel. So you're going to choose that. It'll open it up here, and you'll see this window. We haven't fully opened this up yet. If the information in your CSV file isn't separated out, if it's all mumbled jumbled together, just click on this comma and it will separate all that information out. So I'm going to go ahead and click OK. Just make sure it's on Western Europe, default English, and we'll click OK. And it will open up this file right here separating out all the data. Now I'm going to show you how you can take this information and put it into a brand new file. So if I want to take 300 leads, I'm going to take my left mouse button and click on the number 1 here. I'm going to click on it and hold my mouse button down, and it will highlight everything else. So let me do that one more time. And don't let it go or else it will stop and you'll have to do it all over again. So let's go ahead and drag it down. And I'm still holding onto the mouse button, still holding, and I'm all the way down now to 300. And now I can let go of my mouse button. You see that this is all highlighted. If I want to copy this data and put it into a brand new spreadsheet, all I have to do is right click and then copy. Then I'm going to go to File, and I'm going to say New, and then Spreadsheet. Now that I have this new spreadsheet, I can either right-click and paste, or on my keyboard I can do a Control-V as in Victor, and it will paste that information there. Now you see those 300 leads are there. Now I can take this file and I can say File, Save As, and I'll just go ahead and put this right on my desktop. And by default, it'll put it in a .ods format. You want to change that to .csv. That's the same format that Excel uses. So we can click on this, and it'll give us a drop down, and we can go down here and look for the text CSV format, which is the .csv. It's the same format that Excel uses. And then I can put in lead list 1, or you can name that file whatever you want to name it, and then click Save. Okay, so right here I've got the lead list 1. It's a .csv file, and by default it wants to open it up in Excel, so I can right click it and go down to Open With, and then Open Office Calc. and that will open up the lead list. Click OK, and there is our lead list of all of our 300 leads. So that is the alternative to Excel. You can use OpenOffice. Again, it's 100% free. You don't have to pay anything to get it. It's open source. So I hope that helped you. Go to openoffice.org. I'll also add a link down below this video in the description where you can download this for free and you can start using it right away. All right, guys, have a great day.